this video, we're going to take a quick look at some useful features to help you get the most out of SolidWorks drawings. Standard views such as front, top, right and isometric can easily be placed in a 2D drawing, but additional custom view orientations can also be added. To add a custom view, in the 3D model, prompt the orientation toolbar by pressing the spacebar. From here, a new view can be added. Back in the 2D drawing, this custom view can then be placed either using the view palette on the right hand side or the model view command on the drawing tab. Break views make it possible to display drawing views in a larger scale on a smaller size drawing sheet. They are most commonly used for parts and assemblies where the height to width ratio is especially large. You create a gap or break in the view using a pair of break lines. Reference dimensions and model dimensions associated with the broken area reflect the actual model values. Bear in mind that breaking a view should only really be done within an area where there is no detail, as otherwise this could cause confusion. When placing views using the view palette, the Auto Start Projected View option is really useful as it allows multiple views to be quickly placed in the sheet. Projected views are automatically aligned to their parent view, which in most cases is exactly what you want. For a view such as isometric, the alignment may need to be broken. Whilst adding the view, this can be done by holding down Ctrl. To break the alignment of a view after it has been placed, right-click on the view and choose Break Alignment from the Alignment options. For models that have a number of fillets applied, the 2D drawings can often become difficult to interpret due to the amount of visible edges. When this is the case, it's a good option to change how tangent edges are displayed. Right-click on a view and choose Tangent Edge. There are then three options: Visible, With Font, or Removed. If with font is selected, the style of tangent lines applied is then defined by the settings in Document Properties, Line Font, Tangent Edges. If dimensions need to be arranged en masse, instead of manually dragging each dimension into place, Auto Arrange Dimensions can be used instead. Box select the dimensions to be arranged. The dimension palette icon appears next to the cursor, and if this is hovered over, a variety of options appear. Clicking Auto Arrange aligns and positions the selected dimensions out evenly across the view. If the spacing then needs to be changed, the thumb wheel can be adjusted by dragging, or a specific value can be set. Holes can be manually dimensioned, just like any other feature within SolidWorks, but the Hole Callout tool captures all the hole information in a single annotation, removing the need for multiple dimensions. To add a hole callout, choose Hole Callout from the Annotation tab and click on the edge of any hole. If there are multiple holes that have been added as part of the Holewizard, the advanced hole, or a pattern, an instance count is also displayed. Bill of Materials is a great way to list the required components that make up an assembly. Adding balloons to views is essential in order to explain which components are which from the BOM. However, when assemblies are particularly large, keeping track of which parts have been ballooned or not can be difficult. Expanding the flyout menu on the left-hand side of the BOM gives a handy visual of which parts have been ballooned, making it easy to determine any missing balloons. Any property that exists within a part file can be displayed within the Bill of Materials. Sometimes when it comes to creating the Bill of Materials, however, it becomes apparent that certain properties have not been filled in within the part. Instead of opening the part and adding those missing properties back in, double-click into the cell where the property is needed. If the Keep Link option is selected, whatever is typed into the cell will also get pushed back into the part file too. Thanks for watching, hopefully this quick video has been of some use. If you have any ideas for other topics we can cover in the future, just let us know. And remember, if you're looking to create engaging 3D interactive presentations from your SolidWorks CAD, be sure to check out Cadasio.com.